I want the poop. Give me the poop.
Mommy, stop! Meth is bad for you, okay? Okay, now look at this. Look, ready? Wait. Why meth is bad and other info about the drug. Presented by Heisenberg, which is me, and I'm a former meth addict. Methamphetamine is also known as meth, amp, dirt, blueberry, white lady, whip, rock, ratchet jaw, powder monkey, net, life, aqua, crank, crystal, glass, speed, white cross, etc. And it is a very bad drug. Don't do it, okay? It's a bad drug. The effects of meth are similar to those of cocaine, but last much longer. It affects the user's central nervous system, and meth users say they experience increased alertness and feelings of euphoria. That's a short-term effect. Crystal users do not feel hungry or tired, and many will binge to extend the effects even further, smoking the drug continuously, and stay awake for as long as 15 hours. Users face physical effects as well as mental illnesses. Example, insomnia, extreme weight loss, and continual convulsions and death. That's just like, pictures. Don't do drugs. Stay in school. How it's made. Meth is a man-made drug made from different industrial and toxic chemicals. Most meth is made in very large labs, also known as super labs. While not hard to make, it is a very dangerous drug. Process usually takes 2 days to complete. You know, it's bad. It's death. Okay. Oregon. Amphetamine was first made in 1887 in Germany, and methamphetamine was more potent and easy to make, and was developed in Japan in 1919. Went into wide use in World War II, used to keep troops awake. In San Francisco during the 1950s, doctors started prescribing meth as pain medication.
So it's bad.
That's Japan, that's Germany. Yeah, it's bad. It's really bad. Availability now. You need to show your ID when buying meth at a drugstore in order to prove the prescription is yours and know you're not using a fake ID. Nowadays, meth is being sold at the streets illegally and is available wherever you can find a seller. Dawn, for example. And say no to drugs.
You're nasty.
Say no to drugs. That's it. Meth is bad!
What are you talking about?
I'm running out of business! I don't want it anymore! You don't get my money! Don't do drugs, stay in school! I'm freaking dead! Don't do it!
Ew, it tastes bad.
I don't eat it!
It's like rotten sushi. Okay.